After being disappointed by IFI HipDeck, I thought let's have a go at the micro signature because I have a very positive impression of the black label, black label, and that was a very neutral sounding DAC amp, and I still have faith in IFI. So yes, this is the micro signature, priced at single $650. I placed the order few days ago, and it got delivered in within 10 days, I believe, within 7 to 10 days, and that is fairly good. I was charged heftily. I'll say heftily, but it depends where are you coming from. If you have been paying 40-45% of the retail price, then uh, yeah, it's not that expensive, but still then it's on the expensive side. Micro signature, it's supposed to be the second best portable DAC amp from IFI. It has a lot of power, to be precise. It can drive full size cans like SD800 and all without much problem, and that's why I thought let's have a portable thing that can drive anything in the market. It's not big, not huge, to be precise. I'll compare it with I do not have anything of this caliber in my inventory, but still then the TR amp is the nearest competitor I have with me, which is portable and has similar portability, not exactly better. This is slightly on the narrower side and slightly smaller than the TR amp when it comes to the width. I cannot comment on the height. I'll have to compare them side by side, but this is obviously longer. That's I'm okay with. Let's have a look at the stuff we get. This is the manual warranty. I'm supposed to find some cables in here. Come on. How will you guys come on? Okay, so this is the case, and PC connection cables, I believe. This can be connected to the PC or to the TV, or even to speakers. I think speakers can be connected through this output, obviously. So speakers, these are for speakers, or you want to use it with another amplifier, you can do that. Two bands to attach your other portable stuff, DAP and anything else. So these are essentially the stuff I'm more interested in. These are the things I'll use in day-to-day life. This is the optical adapter, but I don't need that. This is the 6.5 mm adapter. Now the good thing about the micro signature is that it has 4.4 balanced and 6.5 mm single-ended, and that's a very good thing. I do not have anything with 6.5 mm termination, but I do have single-ended stuff and balanced stuff as of now. I do not need this either. This is not exactly needed. This is to use with PC, micro USB B connector or not. Yeah, micro USB B to use it with your PC, and this is to use with can I use it with mobile phone? No, I cannot use it directly with mobile phone with this, at least. So yeah, that's all. That's the cable we are getting. So this is a quick unboxing of the IFI IDSD micro signature There are 3 power settings. You guys can see turbo. sorry about that. Turbo has a lot of power. It can drive anything in the market. Normal is okay. Then eco is for earphones, I believe. I would like to believe that eco is for earphones. Then there are filters: bit perfect, minimum phase, standard, IE match, off, high sensitivity, ultra sensitivity. That's this is for earphones. This is specially for earphones. I'll use it with high to ultra sensitivity because I do not have a lot of headphones with me, but I have expensive IEMs, and they need these technologies. So IDSD, XDSD, PCM, 2X, 3D plus, X-Base. Where is the X-Base? Okay, so this is the X-Base. X-Base, the famous or infamous X-Base. Let's see if there is any power in it. Where is the battery indicator? It does not have a battery indicator, I think. I'm not sure if it has a battery indicator. No, it has no battery indicator of any sort. You cannot see how much battery it has in it, so that's a bummer, but what can we do? That's what I thought is reasonable, and that's what they are giving. So nevertheless, this is it. I'll be comparing it with TR amp, which is nearly one third of the price of the Micro Signature, but that's the closest I have. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.